Barbecue time, baby. Barbecue time. Got a special one today, y'all. Don't ask me no questions because I ain't got no answers. Run that intro.
KinggEATEAT, 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 KinggEATEAT. I like chicken, I like beef, I like spaghetti with a whole lot of meat. KinggEATEAT, yeah, KinggEATEAT.
Yes, sir. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Moment, aka KinggEATEAT and Third A. You know what it is. You see the vibe, baby. Today, I told y'all I got a barbecue feast. What all I got? Well, let me tell you. Got some chicken. I don't know what this is. What this is? Rib or riblet? Riblets. Got some. Ooh, that barbecue sauce. Fire! Get down now! Ooh! Got some smoked sausages. Got me some. Oh yeah. Got that hamburger meat. I'm still going on and on about what I got, y'all. As a matter of fact, do it. I won't be going all day.
You know, we got some chicken, we got ribs,
Mm-hmm.
Italian sausage, the sausage we got the hamburger patty,
Mm-hmm.
potato salad, coleslaw, bacon.
Y'all want to see one of the cooks behind the food? Come on over here. Say what's up. You can, big. Come on here and say what's up. One of the cooks scared. One of the cooks scared, y'all. Then put all this good food for me and don't even want to say hey to y'all. Ain't that something?
That's alright.
So what's
I'm
up?
back. I done cooked all this shit now. I done ate good. It's time for him to eat.
Yes, sir.
I got my nigga a big boy meal.
Eat.
Y'all know. Y'all better subscribe. KinggEATEAT. You know what it is. Yeah. Alright, that shit so good, boy. Make it take your soul, boy. Yes, sir.
Yeah, y'all. This one of the cooks
Hey, man.
came through for me.
Everything my guy eating, I cook. That's the motherfucking real big Memphis barbecue. It ain't no interstate or central barbecue. Come see pig barbecue. And I live at 1060 the grill on the porch. Yes, sir. What it say? KinggEATEAT. Yeah.
I got the wrong person.
You can't do it.
Y'all, he wanted to cook. What can I say? But it is fine. How y'all day going today? I hope everybody's day going fine. Yeah, right there. But like you say, y'all, this is different from all of them. This right here. I got mashed potato. I got coleslaw and potato salad. That coleslaw made from scratch, ain't it?
Yes, sir.
I can tell. I can tell.
There ain't no central barbecue. It's pig barbecue.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Now, how we do it in the city? That real barbecue, that back. Y'all bite it there. Yeah! Eat it! What? Y'all want to see Queen eat Queen? You got water bathroom and fair nothing. Nice. Oh my God. Calm your hair down. Don't worry about it, y'all. She going through something right now, so don't pay her no attention. She be all right.
Well, I I put
But-
my picture on there from yesterday. I was. Let me fix that. Hold on.
Mm-mm. It still look the same, y'all, but don't worry about it. Let me put a picture of how she was yesterday.
Today I ain't feeling good.
Seen herself.
Today we do that. I slid down the hill in the mud.
And let her tell you what my fault she feel, y'all. Y'all. She fell down the hill, but it ain't had nothing to do with me. She said she fell because I called her phone while she was coming outside. Yo, this food is fat, for real, for real. Like, for real.
I put all the love in I can put in for you, my guy.
Mm-hmm.
My guy, KinggEATAT. I know he come out here to eat. There's one thing about it, I know he come to eat.
For sure, for sure.
Yeah. I already told baby, I said, you know what? KinggEATAT come, let me cook something special.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna be back too.
I can't believe they let them get it out. They
Who?
let them get it out. They ain't getting none of my favorite spaghetti.
You got get it, they ain't give me nothing. What?
I can't believe they let them get it out. I cooked the gas for
Oh
you.
my God.
They said, we ain't cooking no spaghetti. I said, let me cook.
Y'all, they got get it and didn't give me none.
Yeah, I told you, I cooked
Look
that
at that.
for you.
Y'all, give me some of that get it.
Sure,
I put that right on there.
You.
Mm-hmm. There you go. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I need a fork. Appreciate you just trying to give it to me, too. Appreciate you. What? You got here?
That's why I cooked up for you. I said, let me come go spaghetti.
Oh, yeah. Get it. Oh! See what I mean? That's why I said Queen ain't know her P's and Q's. She ain't give me no get it.
Man, that's what I'm talking about. She know I cooked them for you. Hey,
Oh my God, y'all.
you gonna make
Yeah.
love over here. You gonna find love over here.
I'm good.
And they got things like the KinggEATAT. We got the candy lady going. The coke. This your coke right there. That's
Yeah.
your coke right there.
Okay, I got you. Appreciate you. Yeah. Ain't nothing coming to family house
That's it.
and get a spread like this right here. That's what it's all about. Being around people you love and people that love you back. And get some good eating. That's what it's all about, y'all. What y'all got going today? I hope y'all got a lot going on, staying together with your loved one. You know? Somebody asked me, they said, I said, KinggEATAT, what are your goals? Where you headed? Where you trying to go in life? I tell them I got a lot of goals, but I try not to focus too much on them, you know, because I'm just enjoying the journey. That's what it's about. If you focus too much on what the end game, well, that's wrong. You'll forget to enjoy the process. Man, y'all, this is fire for real. Oh, y'all enjoy y'all process, you know? You'll get to your end goal sooner or later. Enjoy the process. That's what it's about. He said, who you look up to? Be honest. Oh, doggy. I look up to me 10 years from now. Guess who? So, I always have somebody to chase. I always look forward to being myself in 10 years. No. There was no way I was gonna eat a meal like this and not share it with y'all. There was no way. I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. And I appreciate, hold on y'all. Drop that get on my shirt. Our support, our support y'all been showing. Me and Queen. This is truly a feast fit for a king for real. That's the real deal, y'all. This right here, look, you got a real Memphis barbecue right here. I'm trying to tell you now. Hold on. Give me a little drink off my drink, y'all. I want y'all to enjoy the process. Please, enjoy the process. The process is the best part. Y'all see me at, okay, what? 10,000 there, right? Ooh, excuse me. Y'all see me at 10,000 there. Okay, well, over 10,000, but. Look at. Look at everything I've done before I got to the 10,000. I enjoyed the process getting to the 10,000. The process is what made me who I am right now. I'm gonna get 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, but I ain't worried about it. I'm enjoying it right now. Sitting here with y'all, eating good food, enjoying y'all company. I'm enjoying this right now. Cause I feel like if you be so stuck on the end game, you gonna look up and you be lost out on so much good stuff how much good memories that you could have had if you weren't so focused on the end game. Oh, excuse me. I don't know what y'all saying. I already know. Y'all saying can't eat, slow down. I can't. Food tastes so good, I feel like it's gonna get up and run away from me. I gotta eat it before it take off. Come here, now. Come on there. I gotta eat it before it take off. Well, you know, when you go to a restaurant, right? The restaurant food be good. You go to a restaurant, you can get some good food, right? I can't say you can't, because you can. But when you go to a family member house, a loved one house, you can feel the love in the food. Come on now. If I pull up at your house and you give me something that tastes like pig slop, I'm going to say, you don't love me? Huh? I'm going to be honest with y'all. I'm going to be honest with you. If you come to my house, whether I love you or not, the food ain't going to taste like nothing because I don't know how to cook. So I'm going to let you know ahead of time. You pull up at KinggEATEAT, don't tell KinggEATEAT to cook because it ain't going to taste like nothing. It going to look good. It might look good. But if I cooked it, more than likely, ain't going to taste like nothing. Now, QueenEATEAT pre-seasoned it for me. We cook with a little grease. We can make some shake then, y'all. Y'all go to y'all family member house. They don't feed you like this right here. Next time y'all go there and they ask y'all you want something to eat, just say, nah, I'm good. Like we already ate. Oh my God. That food's so good, y'all. Well, they put both feet in it. Both feet and some legs. Both feet and some legs. Yeah. Ooh. Y'all want to buy that? I put a little potato salad on it too. No, I like mine. I don't like food. Huh? What happened?
You call me?
You just want somebody. You know ain't nobody to call you. You're crazy to yourself.
You're crazy, sissy.
She know ain't nobody call her, y'all. She just want to be heard. You know ain't nobody call you.
Somebody told me you called me, but I ain't gonna say.
I bet somebody did.
One of the cooks.
Oh, no, I ain't called. Oh, you gotta pass that. I thought you were just trying to be in the camera.
No, baby, because you said my head was nipped anyway.
Your head ain't never bad. I was just
You
playing.
did say that.
I was just playing.
Let me look in the mirror. I'll put some extra trouble.
It ain't never. I was just playing. Mm-hmm.
It's funny.
Baby, you good. You not want to do like that.
You eat slow. You said new for everybody. See, there you
You think I'm eating slow. You see how much food I got?
go. Tell Brown now.
Yep, she ain't gonna do that.
Bring it there with him.
Yeah. No people is crazy. But this food, it is so much. I had to get out of my sides on one side. Now my meat on another side. My bread down here and my drinks over here. You can feel the love, baby. Ah. Y'all, Lips is having a meet and greet in Atlanta the end of this month. I told him I might have to slide on up in there. You know what I'm saying? So y'all let me know in the comment. If y'all going to Lips meet and greet, cause y'all think y'all won't see your boy, I'm gonna have to lie on up in there. Whew. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. We gonna be honest. There ain't no way I'm gonna eat all this food. There ain't no way. It's too much. I'm giving it all I got though. No, I don't want to do that. I'm gonna give it everything I got. But you know, I'm gonna drop everything. I got a hole in my mouth. I don't want this burger, but I don't want to put it on the bread. But it's good by itself. Whew. I'm trying to everything full, y'all, but I am. I don't like this. Don't forget, y'all. Let me know down in the comments but if y'all going to the meet and greet, still fucking me, I'm done! Whew. I ain't eating more. I know it probably look like I ain't really ate nothing, but I really did. I ate a lot, y'all. Whether it look like I did or not, I did. I know y'all know. Y'all know I'm trying to wash my figure. Y'all already know I gotta have this hot boy summer body, so y'all know the vibe. But I love y'all. Want y'all to stay safe. I'ma eat that there. Eat. Everybody else, we the gang. Y'all gang. We're not the same.
King